Hi everyone, I'm Akila. In this video, let us see how to add custom visuals in Power BI Desktop. So I have opened my Power BI Desktop application and I loaded some data tables from AdventureWorks. So in Visual Paint, you can click on this Get More Visuals and go through a list of custom visuals for you. Few are free and few are for pricing. So based on their if you click on a particular visual, you can see the reviews and ratings, and you can see what is the purpose of that visual, and based on your requirement and understanding and the compatibility with your report view and all, you can select or you can pick one visual. And if you want to look if you are looking for a specific filter, a specific visual which you're interested in, you can directly use the search option to select. So I know I want chiclet slicer, which I have used before, and I'm very comfortable in using that. So which is very adaptable with all the reports. So I'm adding that. It's free of cost. And click add. This is a place where can read about a visual. Now all custom visuals will be added here. And once you save and close this Power BI report and open a new report, you won't be seeing this custom visuals. This custom visual, which is seen here, is only for a respective application. And if you want to see this custom visual for all your Power BI reports, you can click on this pin to visualization pane, which will be added here. And whenever you open a new blank Power BI report, you can see and use this custom visual. So as the name says, Chiclet Slicer, it's a filter or a selection pane. And I have selected that and passing some scenario names. And you can use format like other visuals. You can go through this visual and general tabs and make respective formatting. Hope this is useful. Thank you.